right, new to our inventory is this beautiful little 1972 Chevy El Camino Super Sport. Numbers matching 350, ice cold air. Just a beautiful car if you're looking for something to just get in, turn the key, and have some fun.
Yeah, Dalton, this one also comes with the factory-equipped 12-bolt rear end in it, cowl hood, done in a beautiful dark green metallic, black SS stripes, and a black interior.
Original under the hood.
Yeah, very, very original under the hood, you guys. Obviously, the car has been repainted, and when they did it, they did a really good job. I mean, the bottom of the hood's all painted nicely. Also, the inner fenders are done great as well. We'll leave the hood up here and just kind of check out the dual exhaust. Dual exhaust comes out behind the rear wheels, very nice on each side. It's got a nice little bark to it. It's a really straight car. You can see with the air conditioning stuff, we've had some new parts here put on the air conditioner. Fan switch works great as well. It's got an AC Delco battery. As we look at the inner fenders, you can tell the car was fenders and stuff were taken off when it was painted. What's the paint code and the trim code up there, Dalton? Firewall is all original. Power steering, power disc brakes. As far as our paint code go, our trim code is 720 A52. Paint code looks like 48G. Yep, 48G.
I like this color a lot with on this El Camino with the black vinyl top.
Yeah, it's a sharp car. Hood shut's nice as well. Lines up really nice. The top of the fender, top of the hood. The gap's pretty nice. A little bit tighter in the very, very front than in the back, but not bad at all. It's an older restoration, so there's a couple little chips and stuff, but all in all, appearance of this car is great. It's all been buffed to a beautiful shine. If you rub your hand across it, it's just buffed and waxed, very nice and smooth. It's got the correct rally wheels, 255 60 15s with those Google. Goodyear Eagle.
Google Eagle.
Just had a little blunder there. Bottom of the front fenders. The paint job's a little older, so the bottom of the front fenders has just a couple little bubbles right in here. Lower door is awesome. And the way the fender meets that door is in great shape as well. Rocker panel is fantastic from front to the back of the quarter panel here. The fit and finish on this car is really good. We talked about it a little bit in the front. The back of the hood here sits up just a little bit, but all in all, really good. The door lines up nice. Our weather stripping and stuff appears to be original and in great shape. Windshield has a couple tiny little rock chips in it, like right here, very, very small. Other than that, the windshield's great. Black vinyl top appears to be the original. Inside the box, you can see some little dings and stuff. I mean, this was used back in 72, 73, all the way through there. It was used as a pickup box, so you have some little dings and stuff in the pickup box, but you know, it's all been resprayed as well.
And this isn't an overly restored, you know, trailer queen. You know, it's just a beautiful driver. You can get in, turn the key, and feel confident going down the road.
Yeah, exactly. Back door fits good. Quarter panel is very smooth, very nice. Behind the rear wheels, I don't see any bubbles, blisters, very clean. Go to our website. We have about 20 to 25 photos of the undercarriage on this car. Very solid original. Again, not overly restored, just a solid original straight bodied car. Back bumper is original. We have a couple little scuffs, a little rust where the chrome is peeled on that bolt right there. Taillight lens is original, in good shape. Original chrome in the back. Tailgate's excellent. The bench seat interior is really nice, but what I love about this car the most is just the way it drives. I mean, this car's got the total package. Nice looking body, paint, solid, good interior. It's a really good car all the way around. Door panel is in good shape, as rubbers have been replaced back when they painted it as well. aftermarket radio in the dash, and it's got a CD player nicely mounted underneath. It's got its correct Super Sport steering wheel. You notice the Chevelles have the Super Sport door panels. The factory El Caminos did not have Super Sport on the door panels, so that's kind of a tall tale thing. If your El Camino has Super Sport on the door panels, they're not supposed to.
Interesting, I didn't know that.
Yep. I did a lot of research trying to figure out how we could prove that this was a Super Sport, but with the 12 bolt and the factory, I think it's a J code in the VIN. You want to look at all, it's a 354 barrel car, numbers matching. So we did all our research, and the previous owner stated it was as well, but everything we could tell from this car, it was a factory Super Sport.
J code.
Was it J? Okay, that was a 354 barrel. Dual exhaust, as I mentioned before, comes out nicely. Behind the rear wheel is excellent, no bubbles, blisters. Couple of little bumps right here on the bottom of the door right here. A little bit of blisters right there, very small, under the paint. Bottom of the quarter panel and the rocker panel is excellent. 2 tiny little chips right there. Lower fender is excellent, no bubbles, no issues, and there's 1 small bubble right there on the door. So older paint, as we kind of talked about, but it shines like new. Very straight. Body's not choppy really at all, is it?
Straight car.
Here's your vinyl top. Original door handles here. It looks like at one point, Dalton, I think the 48, if I remember right, was the original green. Looks like at one point it was the original green. It was painted twice. Somebody painted it red at one time. You can see just here in the where the paint is chipped, right here in the, right there in the hinge area. Other than that, I didn't see any other signs of it ever being another color. But somebody at one point broke down and painted it red, and then the last restoration it had went back to the believed to be the original color.
There's a tiny bit on these hinges.
Just on the hinges, yeah.
Yep, on the hinges.
This car starts so easy, idles great.
Yeah, I really enjoyed when we
Original,
first got this in cruising in it.
Yeah, it was fun, wasn't it? Original owner's manual in there, Panasonic radio, and that works perfect. It's got some 6x9s in the box. That's a removable box right behind the seat, so you can definitely do what you want to do there. I'm gonna mess with that a little bit. Gas gauge works. Wipers work and park. Horn works. We talked about this a little bit ago. Air conditioning, car. It's got the heater fan works perfect as well. We'll put the heat on today. It's a little chilly. You struggling there?
Radio's gonna work once I
figure it out.
Yeah.
Just gotta get it to tuner. Is it to tuner?
Yeah. It's on aux. You gotta hit.
I don't know.
We're not.
There we go.
It's gonna work. Yeah. It's got the antenna up there.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of
Finding the station.
yeah. Gotta be smarter than the radio sometimes.
Damn radios. We're not when you don't mess with it too much. Piss me off. Shut that sound off.
It's a comfortable car.
It idles really nice. It's That's another thing. The windows roll up and down nice as well. The steering on the car, just the power steering is just nice and smooth. Heater works good.
Trips him in a second.
That's what I like about it. I mean, the transmission shift's awesome. It's got a little tire squeal. When it hits second gear, our brakes are perfect. We got a nice pedal, power brakes, steering wheel's nice and straight. We don't have anything goofy going on there.
I mean, there's so many of these cars that appear to be so overly restored, you know, and look perfect. But when you get in them, they're just rattly and they don't drive near as nice as this one.
This is an awesome car. transmission shifts great. This little 354 barrel, we were up to 75 mile an hour that fast. And look at this. This is what I like to point out. Our steering wheel is straight. I love the original steering wheels with the, just put your finger right in there and just cruise.
Yeah. I'd feel comfortable driving this.
Definitely go anywhere. And having factory air is also huge. Great car. There we go again, 70 mile an hour down the highway. The shocks are good. It feels nice. No noise.
Yeah,
very,
that's what I was gonna say. Very quiet
inside here.
Just a car you can get in and feel comfortable taking any local car show, cruises, road trips.
The heat feels good today.
Yeah, it does feel good. We're getting into fall here in Iowa, so
all you need is a sliding rear window in there and toss fuel cans right in the back of the bed.
yeah, that would
Like
be
back in the day.
Is that what you did back then?
I don't know. I wonder if people did that back there in the El Caminos. Just put a sliding rear window in. I bet they did.
Yeah.
They had to for road tripping.
I think they need to remake El Camino.
Sweet. Very nice car, guys. So mechanically fantastic. Paint and body looks great. Beautiful driver. Turnkey. Local. Car show quality cruise night car is how I'd classify this El Camino.
Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Appreciate you guys for watching. We're always posting new videos, so check out the YouTube, subscribe to that for updates on what we get in.